Why Diddy's lawyers think sexual assault allegations shouldn't be allowed at trial, decades of dirt. Attorneys for Sean Combs requested that sexual assault allegations against the media mogul should not be allowed in court, according to a new filing. Lawyers for Sean Diddy Combs are asking a judge not to allow prosecutors to introduce potential evidence cited in dozens of civil sexual assault lawsuits filed against the disgraced music mogul in his upcoming federal criminal trial. The legal filing made Monday by Combs' lawyers argues that he has not been criminally charged with sexual assault and that federal prosecutors should not introduce those allegations in court during his trial for sex trafficking and racketeering, which is set to start on May 5. The motion, filed Monday by Combs' attorneys in the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York, comes days after Combs, 55, was indicted on additional sex trafficking charges. To date, the federal government has charged Combs with racketeering conspiracy, as well as 2 counts of sex trafficking and 2 counts of transportation to engage in prostitution. Meanwhile, dozens of Combs' alleged victims have also filed civil lawsuits against him alleging he sexually assaulted them. Combs has pleaded not guilty to the criminal trafficking and racketeering charges. He was arrested last September after federal agents raided his homes. He is currently behind bars at Brooklyn's Metropolitan Detention Center while awaiting trial. The court should require the government to try the case it charged and prove that case to the jury beyond a reasonable doubt, the filing reads. The government should not be permitted to pollute the trial with decades of dirt and invite a conviction based on propensity evidence with no proper purpose by painting Mr. Combs as a bad guy who must have committed the charged crimes. Combs' attorneys write that, "It is hard to imagine any evidence that could be more unfairly prejudicial, or more likely to confuse the issues, mislead the jury, cause undue delay, and waste time," according to the filing, obtained by People. People exclusively reported over the weekend that Cassie Ventura is prepared to testify against Combs in the criminal trial and plans to use her name. Ventura, 38, is one of 4 victims who federal prosecutors say will testify against the entertainment mogul, while 3 other alleged victims have asked that their identities not be revealed to the press or the public, according to an April 4 filing by federal prosecutors. The indictment against Combs alleges that he and his associates would lure people under the pretense of a romantic relationship before he would use force, threats of force and coercion in order to get them to participate in freak-offs, which prosecutors describe as elaborate and produced sex performances that the disgraced music mogul allegedly coerced others to participate in. Combs has denied all the charges against him. If you or someone you know has been a victim of sexual abuse, text STRENGTH to the crisis text line at 741 to 741 to be connected to a certified crisis counselor. If you or someone you know has been sexually assaulted, please contact the National Sexual Assault Hotline at 1-800-656-HOPE, 4673, or go to RAINN.org.